The film which you're about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 3 youths in the heart of the dense Australian outback. This incident bookended a spree of horrific, mad, and macabre killings within those hills. On that fateful day, what was meant to be an idyllic summer road trip became a nightmare. The events of that day and the days before it were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of Australian history, the Warby Range Massacre.
We're here, see? A few more detours and we'll be right.
We wouldn't have to be taking detours if we took the highway.
And where's the fun in that?
I don't like getting lost.
We're not lost, we have a map. And besides, highways are boring anyway. What do you reckon, Jed? You alright, Jed?
I'm fine.
What's up?
Can't we stay on the road a little longer?
What if I want to miss my first day?
I know what you're feeling. We all want this to go on, but we're doing this for a reason.
You guys are doing it for a reason.
Let's not do this again, please.
Well, it's true. You're the ones going to Melbourne to start whole new lives, and I'm the one still stuck in the shithole.
And that's exactly why we're on a road trip. Recalling fond memories and creating new ones.
Isn't he such an actor?
Yeah. He's great at acting like he was tackled high.
You bastard. I deserve that free kick, thank you very much. I don't blame you, Jed. I need to be stuck there too, but you do know you don't have to, right?
I can't leave my dad out there. He can barely drive the tractor anymore.
I get it, Jed. You gotta do what you gotta do. Just understand that we're all feeling the same way. We all gotta go our separate ways.
Yeah, I guess. Melbourne's not that far away anyhow, is it? I could come visit it sometime if Dad will let me. No?
Need any help?
No, we're fine, thanks, mate.
Where you off to?
On our way to Melbourne.
Ah, road trip, eh?
Sure is.
Should have known. It's schoolie season, isn't it? Melbourne's a great place, ain't it?
Yep.
What about you, young fella? You look like a country boy, young man. What do you think of the big smoke?
Well, I'm not going with them, mate. I'm staying on the farm with my dad.
Did the same thing at your age. Gotta respect your elders.
Yeah.
So, where you staying for the night?
Johnston's waterfall.
I've just been up there. Packed to the brim. I don't reckon you'll find a place.
I told you we should have taken the highway.
Yeah, sure, mate. It's just us.
I wouldn't lie, do you?
I'm sure we'll find room.
I don't want to be stuck with those schoolies kids all night, packed like a can of sardines or something.
Look, I've got just the thing. I've got this place just down the road you fellas can use. Look, it's got a cabin, it's got a lake and a fire pit. Nobody's using it at the moment. You can stay there just for the night.
Thanks for the offer, but I don't.
Listen, if it's peace and silence you want, I've got just the spot.
Thank you very much, sir. We wanted to stay by ourselves anyways, right, guys?
Perfect. I'll lead the way.
So much for a cabin.
Well, I do want to listen to the schoolies kids partying all night.
Sure.
Totally, mate. This is the kind of experience you want, isn't it?
Yes, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that we're doing this for Jed. I understand that. I just don't want you to tell him because you feel guilty.
We both agreed to keeping this a secret. Why are you bringing this up?
I can see it happening in my mind. You're going to feel guilty and tell him because, like always, you're trying to make everyone happy. Telling him won't make me happy or him happy.
I know that. I'm not going
I know
to...
you think I don't care about Jed. And that I'd rather just leave him in a cloud of dust, but I do care for him, I really do. He's a friend. I'd love to tell him, hey, Jed, Toby and I are actually going to New York, not Melbourne, and we're going to have a great life hanging out and having fun while you're stuck here working for your dad so much that you want to kill yourself. But I can't, because that would make him feel worse than he already does.
I know that. You know I know that. You agreed to the road trip in the first place.
I was pulled into it.
I asked you if you thought it was a good idea and you said yes.
If I had it my way, I'd be in New York already. I'm only doing this for Jed.
If you ask me, it sounds like you're the one who's feeling the guilt.
We're ready to unpack?
We're not staying here. He straight up lied to us. He's probably got cameras hidden somewhere. Freak.
Well, I'm sorry, it's not a 5-star hotel.
We're not staying in some old guy's shed.
It's not a shed. It's a cabin.
Of course you'd believe that.
What are you trying to say?
I didn't mean it like...
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm not a city chick like you. I'm sorry I'm just a country hillbilly to you.
How about we go for a walk? Find somewhere to set up camp.
Let's do that.
Perfect. Nice view, ain't it?
Yeah.
Worth the hike, I'd say.
Sure was. I'm gonna go get some firewood.
Okay. We'll do the tents. Guys, here we are on our last road trip together.
2 weeks on the road, hey guys.
Couldn't have asked for a better group of people to hang out with.
Too kind.
All right, see you on the other side.
Bye! Fuck it. Jed.
Yeah.
Hey, where's the firewood?
Can I talk to Jed for a minute?
We're in the middle of something.
What?
Matches. We're out of matches.
You're kidding.
Yeah, well, we were just gonna have a look in the cabin and see if it had any.
Alright, go. I do want a fire. Toby. I'm sick of lying to him. I think he'd rather know than be lied to.
How can you be sure?
I can't, but I would feel sick for the rest of my life if we just left him here like this. Just let me speak to him, okay?
Okay. Are you happy?
What do you mean?
Maybe it's road trip. Did you even want it?
Well, it's not my road trip, it's our road trip.
I'm not just saying that.
No, why would I?
Oh no, just checking.
Alright. I'm gonna go have a look in the cabin.
Alright, I'll head down to the lake.
That.
Sorry about that, mate.
Jed? Jed, this better not be another prank. where you stop the prank, mate. Come on.
Please help. There's a man out there and he's trying to kill me. He's killed my friends.
It's okay. It'll all be all right, child. All you have to do is shut up, do what we say, and everything'll be okay, darling.
What do you want? I'll give you whatever you want. Please don't kill me. Why are you doing this?
Hi, Marilyn. That's your name, isn't it? I'm so very sorry about all your friends. I know it's hard to believe, but I am. You see, my son here, he got a little too far into character. Forgot we have a job to do. You must be confused. My fault. You're here to play a part in the recreation of one of the greatest pieces of art ever put to screen. Look, what I want you to do, young lady, is read the screenplay. Make yourself familiar with the part until we can gather the rest of the cast, which won't take too long, if today's any indication.
Are you insane?
I really would appreciate you working with me here. Trust me, it's what we both want.
You gonna kill me?
Have you listened to anything I told you? You're my main actress. Nothing can happen to you.
Please, just let me go. I won't tell anyone, I promise.
I really wish I could believe you.
Who would have thought? The seagull's right.
Please.
Will you please just read through this? I don't want anyone asking for lines on the day. Are you even listening? Take it!
Will you let me go after?
You're very lucky. Your character lives on in the end. Unlike the rest of the cast members, you don't die at the hands of a chainsaw-wielding maniac. I'll make sure when it's done and dusted, it's a quick and painless death. I'm losing patience here. I really wouldn't like to have to kill you, but if you're too hard to work with, I will. I'll just have to find somebody else. I don't have time for this sort of behaviour. I need this project to run as smoothly as possible.
Okay.
There you go. That's more like it. You sit here and I'll go and deal with Franklin. No, you cannot, because I don't trust you. You've been very naughty. You hear me? You've been very naughty, and if you be naughty again, I will whip you. No questions asked, I'll whip you again. You hear me? Now, sit your ass down, shut up, and do as I say. I'm not very happy with you.
What's your name? My name's Marilyn. It's a nice place you have here. Do you live here?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you like it?
No.
That's sad. Do you want to get out of here? I know a great place that sells delicious strawberry ice cream. Does that sound good? I can make sure you're safe. My mum and dad would be happy to look after you. We've got a big family, a big yard, a pool, a little dog named Charlie. Does that sound like a nice place?
Yeah.
Would you like to live there?
Yeah.
You know what, you can. We've got a big bedroom just for you. Does that sound nice? But I can't show you the way when I'm tied up. Can you untie me? And then I can show you the way to your new home and your new family.
Dad.
Don't worry about Dad. I spoke to him before and he said you can. He said he wants you to be very happy.
Really?
Yeah, he did.
The line?
No.
You got one more chance. Are you gonna take it?
You're a crazy sack of shit, you know that?
That's what they say about all the great ones. You know, I don't think you know your full potential. You'd fit right into Franklin's shoes. You've got the attitude. Come on. Don't want to leave you here to rot like the rest of them. Don't be like them. Take what's right in front of you. If you ever want to see your friend alive, you'll have to do what I say and take my direction. And that starts with reading that script.
Is Marilyn alive?
At the moment, won't be if you don't take the part.
Bring her to me. Prove she's alive and I'll do it.
I'm glad we can come to this arrangement. Oh, what are you doing, stupid? Ain't you got no respect for your family?
I was sure you were dead.
It's gonna take more than that to kill me.
What about Toby?
Let's go home, Marilyn.
Wait,
What?
I wanted to tell you before.
Marilyn. We'll talk about it when we get home.
Hello, stranger. Could you open up your door? Fellow stranger, have I seen your face before? If I tell you my name, then we're not strangers anymore. Gracious stranger, are you sure that I could stay? When the storm clears, I'll be out on my way. Little did I know I'd be sleeping in a shallow grave. Heartless stranger, why do you cover up your face? Violent stranger, just let me out of this place.